Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to personalize your iMessage background experience. While you cannot directly change the background image of the entire iMessage application, you certainly can customize your individual chat bubbles and add dynamic visual elements. We will explore the fun options available right now to make your messages more expressive and unique for each conversation. This process is straightforward and adds a touch of your personality to your daily communications. To customize your chat bubbles, open an iMessage conversation and type your message, but do not send it yet. Press and hold the blue send arrow to reveal a menu of bubble effects. You can choose from options like slam, loud, gentle, or invisible ink to dramatically alter how your message appears. Selecting an effect applies it to that specific message, changing its visual impact for the recipient. Experiment with these to add more flair and emotion to your written words. Beyond bubble effects, you can also send messages with dynamic full-screen effects that animate across the recipient's entire display. After holding down the send arrow, tap on the screen tab at the top of the effects menu. Swipe left or right to preview different screen effects, including balloons, confetti, love, lasers, fireworks, or celebration. Select the perfect effect to accompany your message and then tap the send arrow. This creates a memorable and engaging visual surprise. While direct background image changes for the entire iMessage app are not a current feature, there are many ways to personalize your experience. You can download numerous sticker packs and iMessage apps from the App Store, offering even more creative ways to express yourself. Remember, your device's system-wide display settings, such as dark mode or light mode, will always dictate the general aesthetic of the iMessage interface. Always check for software updates to discover new customization options as they become available.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.